If you are looking for a natural ingredient to transform your hair growth and glow up your skin, so in today's video I'm going to show you two simple methods on how to make your homemade papaya leaf oil at home. So to make this oil you will need papaya leaf. You can use the fresh or dry papaya leaf. Papaya leaves are packed with vitamins and nutrients that will help to strengthen hair strand, soothe the scalp, clear up your skin against any blemishes. So to make this papaya leaf, we are going to be using two methods. You can decide to blend it or use a mortar. You don't need to add water. So I'm going to use my food processor to crush the papaya leaves into smaller pieces. So for the first method, I'm going to be using double boiler method. This method will help to draw out the nutrients slowly. So I have a jar where I've added my oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice like coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, avocado seed oil. So I'm going to be adding the blended papaya leaf into the jar. Stir to mix properly, then place it into a pot that has water. Leave it to boil. Allow it to boil for about 30 minutes or more. During this process, the nutrients will extract into the oil. So for the second method, I'm going to be using hot method. This is a quick method and convenient method that will make the oil to be ready to use. So into the pan, I will add the blended papaya leaf, add oil, use any oil of your choice. Then I'm going to mix to combine. Then I'm going to allow this to cook on a low heat so that all the nutrients will extract into the oil. So I'm going to allow this to cook for at least 5 minutes or more on a low heat so that all the nutrients will enter into the oil. Then after that, remove from the heat and allow to cool before you strain to get the oil. Another method that you can also use is the cold infusion method, whereby you are going to dry the papaya leaf and allow it to dry, then add it into a jar, add water, leave it infused for some weeks, then you can strain to get the oil. So the advantage of using the hot method is that the oil is going to last for a long time because it does not contain any liquid. Then for the double boiler method, I'm going to strain to get the oil. Using the double boiler method is so good because the nutrients are intact, they are not destroyed with heat, but the disadvantage is that the oil is not going to last for a long time because it might contain little bit of liquid from the papaya leaf. If you want your oil to last for a long time, you can decide to use dried papaya leaf and also use the double boiler method to extract all the nutrients into the oil. So this is the oil that I got using the double boiler method. You can notice that it is light. You can now add some few drops of vitamin E oil to help to expand the lifespan of this oil and store this in airtight container and use whenever you want. So papaya leaf oil can be used for your hair. You can use it to soothe your scalp, apply it to strengthen your hair strand and also to clear your skin. Please, which method are you going to try, and let me know in the comment section. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.